Hello, you're welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about 5 amazing body scrubs. What are the importance of using body scrub? Well, body scrubs helps in removing the dead skin and paving way for a newer skin to appear. So in a sense that body scrubs helps in removing dead skin from your skin and also allowing a newer and a healthier skin to appear. It promotes the skin and helps the skin to achieve a even toned skin and also help blood circulations on the body. So if you're new to my channel and today is your first time, thank you for stopping by. So when going for a body scrub, you all need to think, what do you want? If you have stretch mark, do you want to remove stretch mark? If you have bumpy skin, do you want to clear your bumpy skin? So after thinking and calculating before you go for any body scrub, you also make sure you read the content. So you don't just say any body scrub and you just buy, you understand? So it depends on what you really want for your skin. So check your skin, check the ingredients. If you have sensitive skin, make sure you don't buy the one that will increase the sensitivity of your skin or will cause your skin harm. So number 1 body scrubs I'm going to be talking about today is Vidgo Strawberry Body Scrub. Vidgo Strawberry Body Scrub is an exfoliating body scrub. It's a body scrub that helps to exfoliate your skin and remove rough patches on your skin. So this particular body scrub will help to remove dead skin and allow a newer skin to appear and also remove those rough and pumpy skin on your skin. Another body scrub I'm going to be talking about is Coffee and Coconut Whitening Body Scrub, which is the Vidgo product. So this particular body scrub helps in removing stretch mark, dark spot, green vein, age spot, pimples, stretch mark, and other skin issues. So this particular body scrub is good. It helps to reduce the appearance of stretch mark and also helps to clear pimple, dark spots. So in my own understanding, what I know about stretch mark is that stretch mark can be totally be eliminated through surgical operation, you understand? So this particular product helps in reducing the appearance of the stretch mark and dimming the stretch mark from being too obvious. So if you are looking for a good body scrub that will help you to reduce the appearance of stretch mark, that will help you to remove green vein in your skin, that will also help to remove age spot and dark spot and pimples, you should try and go for this body scrub, this Coffee and Coconut Whitening Body Scrub. So another one I have in my list is Eden Body Scrub. This Eden Body Scrub is a good body scrub because this Eden body scrubs contain moisturizing ingredient that will be suitable for your skin. This particular body scrub is good because it helps to moisturize your skin and also pave way for appearance of a new skin. You want your skin to be soft, you want to have that supple glow, beautiful skin, this is the body scrub you should go for, because this particular body scrub is actually good for somebody that is struggling with a strong skin and somebody that wants a smooth and a silky skin, glow skin. This particular Eden body scrub, you are going to achieve a most beautiful skin and it's going to revitalize your skin, bring out that youthful skin by laying off those old skin cells and paving way for a newer skin to appear. So if you're looking for a good body scrub to go for, you can try this particular body scrub. So another one I have in my list is Kojic Plus Body Scrub. Kojic Plus Body Scrub helps to brighten your skin. It contains orange oil, which helps to brighten your skin and keep your skin smooth. It also helps to brighten any dark patches. In fact, I don't know, this I'm going to say might be funny. If you have a dark armpit, you can apply it there. You can use this Kojic Plus Body Serum to scrub that particular dark armpit and you are going to see the effect. If you have dark patches, dark nails, you can use this Kojic Plus Body Scrub to scrub that your nail and you will have a clear and a clean nails. So if you are looking for a good body scrub to brighten your skin, if you want to achieve a smooth skin, you can go for this Kojic Plus Body Scrub. So another one I'm going to be mentioning is Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. Dove Exfoliating Body Polish is a mild body scrub. So after you have achieved your desired skin tone, to maintain your skin, you need this Dove Exfoliating Body Scrub. So Dove Exfoliating Body Scrub or Body Polish is very good for sensitive skin and dry skin, and it's also very good for somebody that is easily being irritated by product or somebody that is have this rough, pumpy, dry skin. So this particular body polish or body scrub will help to soften the skin and make the skin to be soft and beautiful, attractive. So if you have a rough and dry skin, you need this exfoliating body polish or Dove exfoliating body scrub to soften your skin. maybe you don't have skin issues and your skin is very strong. There are some people that have this strong dry skin, their skin is not soft, their hands are not soft. You can go for this Dove exfoliating body polish. It will allow your skin to be soft, it will allow your skin to be smooth. So if you're looking for a good body scrub that will smoothen your skin, makes your skin to be soft, silky and smooth, give you that radiant skin, removing dead skin and wait for a new skin to appear, I think you should try this Dove exfoliating body polish, because it's going to revitalize your skin, polish your skin, and give you that babyish look skin that you deserve. So thank you for watching my video. God bless you.